Thank you so much, Paper Source, for sending me this. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I never really know what to do with this because I just want to collect them. They're just too pretty to use, but I am going to use it. And I'm actually going to wrap some gifts for my friends, so I will be using them. But I also want to take the craft challenge that they'll be having in March. I'll link the information for you guys below the video. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to make yet. But I need to tell myself that I need to just use the paper because I always end up collecting this because it's just so pretty. Like, how do you use this? Thank you so much, Paper Source, though, for sending me this. I am excited to try it out. And I wanted to show you guys our new TV that we just got. We just upgraded our bedroom TV because it's been so long that we got a new TV, and we actually ended up getting the frame TV dupe, and it is called the Canvas TV, and it is much cheaper, and it was on sale, so we ended up getting it. And it's so cute because it's like a frame, just like the frame TV, and it has a frame that already comes with it, and it comes with like already pre-made art that you can have on the TV while it's running, kind of thing. And yeah, we're so excited because it's been a while since we kind of upgraded our bedroom area. So I'm gonna kind of redecorate that area, put some paper flowers there, and yeah, I'll show you guys what the TV looks like. Thank you so much, Our Place, for sending me this. I am so excited. You guys know how much I love all their products. I have the Wonder Oven, and it's seriously so cute, my favorite color. I have the pan, and now I have the pot, and I'm excited. I think I'm going to be making soup in this probably tomorrow. I have to wash it first, so I have to wash it and then I'll probably make some soup in there. And I'm actually in the kitchen because I have to bake my sourdough. I have a sourdough waiting for me in the fridge. So I actually made a flour stencil so I could use it to score my sourdough because I am not good at freehand doing anything. So I made a stencil. I will actually have it available for you guys too as a free template. So if you are into sourdough, you can try it, or you can use the stencil for other stuff, but I'll link it for you guys below. Oh, and thank you, Carol, so much for sending me that paper portrait. I have it displayed in my living room. It is such an honor. When I saw it, I was like, whoa, that really looks like us. It's definitely different from the style that I do my paper portraits, but that really makes me inspired from your work. And I'll link her information for you guys below the video as well if you want to check out some of her paper portraits. I have my soup ready to go for lunch, but I'm in my workspace. I have to work on a couple things before I go to lunch, but I made some tortilla soup and it's one of my favorite recipes. And if you guys followed me on Instagram, there was a time in my life where I was really involved with Weight Watchers and I lost basically 40 pounds after giving birth, and it was a huge part of my life, and I still kind of implement Weight Watcher friendly like recipes in my everyday. It is definitely a lifestyle change, so I do try to eat clean as best as I can. The tortilla soup is definitely a healthy one. I want to say semi-healthy because I do like to add some cheese later, and I like to eat it with like rice or bread. But the soup in itself is pretty healthy, so I will have the recipe for you guys below. It is really easy and it's really hearty. If you guys are familiar with Weight Watchers, it's basically a 0 point soup. So everything I put in there, the ingredients are pretty healthy. So yeah, I'm excited to eat that for lunch. And in my workspace, I'm going to actually work on a bridal bouquet. It's been a while since I had a wedding order, but that's what I'll be working on. It is for a court wedding, so it's a little bit smaller, but I will still put in a lot more details into it. And I'll kind of link some of the flowers that I've made and put in the bridal bouquet for you guys below the video.